I'm David Riley, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Audacity to record and edit audio. This video is tailored for beginners, rather than catering to advanced users. So without further ado, let's dive in. Audacity is a free open source audio editor that's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to record, edit, or mix audio. Audacity is a powerful audio editor that can be used for a variety of tasks, including recording audio, editing audio, mixing audio, removing noise from audio, applying effects to audio, creating podcasts, creating music. To record audio with Audacity, you first need to set up your recording device. Go to Edit, Preferences, Audio Settings, and locate the recording section. From here, you can choose your recording device and set the audio input and output levels. Once you've set up your recording device, you can start recording. Click on the record button and then start talking or playing the audio that you want to record. Audacity will start recording the audio and you'll see a waveform appear in the editor window. To stop recording, click on the stop button. Once you've recorded some audio, you can start editing it. Audacity has a variety of editing tools that you can use to trim, cut, copy, and paste audio. You can also use effects to change the sound of your audio, such as EQ, reverb, and compression. To edit audio, simply click on the audio that you want to edit, and then use the editing tools in the toolbar. Here are some of the editing tools that you can use in Audacity. Trim. This tool allows you to trim the beginning or end of an audio clip. Cut. This tool allows you to cut a section of an audio clip and then move it to another location. Copy. This tool allows you to copy a section of an audio clip and then paste it into another location. Paste. This tool allows you to paste an audio clip into another location. EQ. This tool allows you to adjust the equalization of an audio clip. Reverb. This tool allows you to add reverb to an audio clip. Compression. This tool allows you to compress an audio clip. Once you've finished editing your audio, you can export it to a file. Go to File, Export, and choose the format that you want to export your audio to. Here are some of the file formats that you can export your audio to. WAV, AIFF, MP3, OGG, and FLAC. Once you've chosen a file format, give the audio file a name and save it. You can also add metadata tags to the file. This is mostly useful for musicians. Once finished, close the window. Finally, you'll also need to create a project for your audio file. This can be done by accessing the File menu and clicking Save Project. You should see a warning. Click OK, give the project a name, and click Save. Audacity has a built-in help system that can be accessed by clicking on the Help menu. There are many tutorials and resources available online that can teach you how to use Audacity. If you're stuck, you can always ask for help in the Audacity forums. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by giving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I plan on creating more beginners guides in the future. I apologize for the lengthy break between these types of videos. I didn't expect it to be this long. Until we meet again, take care of yourself. See you soon.